Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your home address in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button, and you can choose your current location, but you can also choose it from the map. So just use that little orange circle as a guide and just find your street. And once you set your address, it is written on the bottom of the page, by the way, and just click on the choose button and then the save button, and here your home address is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.